Here I have TCL 10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you what to do in case if you set a password, pattern or PIN on your device and eventually you forgot it, and what you have to do to reset it. You just have to firstly turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination power key and volume up for a few seconds like this. And after you see brand logo on screen, you can release power key and keep holding volume up until you enter this menu. And in this menu you have to use volume keys to navigate to the 6th option, wipe data factory reset, and then select it with power key and then confirm it here by selecting factory data reset. Wait for a few seconds, and after you see this message data wipe complete, you can select the first option, reboot system now, to restart your device, and after that your device will be restarted in a couple of minutes. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.